It is important to understand the various aspects of our Dixon diameter tape. This line is the measuring line. It is used to take your reading. The Dixon diameter tape converts hose circumference to diameter and is read in fractions of an inch. A in the diagram communicates that the fractions are broken down by 64ths. B indicates the inches of diameter. Every inch on the tape marks a full 64 hash marks. C indicates the hash marks. Each hash mark is 1/64th of an inch. D indicates the reference numbers set at the 16th, 32nd, and 48th marks. These reference numbers are an aid to quickly determine the hose OD. If the OD doesn't fall on a numbered line, use the reference numbers to count up or down to find the correct OD. The tape has two sides. One is a standard tape measure, and the other side is marked inches of diameter by 64ths. This is the side used for measuring a hose's outside diameter. With the tape, make a loop around your hose, making sure the inches of diameter side is facing up. It is easier to read when the measuring line is on the bottom. Make sure the tape is flat against the hose. The measuring line aligns with a hash mark between the 2 and 3 inch marks near the 48 reference number. To find the measurement, count backward from 48 to the aligned hash mark. The hose OD is precisely 2 and 40/64ths. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.